I heard that you settled down.
I heard that you settled down, that you find a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. Old friend, why are you so shy? Ain't like you hold back or hide from life. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never have I someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me, I remember you stay. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead.
Tulbog.
You know how the time flies and yesterday was the time of our lives. We were born and raised in a summer haze, bound by the surprise of our glory days. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never in my life someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me, I remember you say. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Nothing compares, no worries or cares, regrets and mistakes that memories made. Who would have known how bittersweet this would taste? Never in my life will I find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me, I remember you say. Sometimes it lasts in love, sometimes it hurts instead. Never will I find someone like you. I wish nothing